Amazon has smashed first quarter earnings estimates, posting its best ever quarterly profit. Earnings per share came in sharply higher than expectations, while revenue matched estimates. Well, Elizabeth has been pouring through the numbers. That was fascinating. We were all expecting a ramp up in spending from a lot of the big tech names, including Amazon, and it didn't really materialize.
Didn't really materialize. A little bit of prediction for a ramp up of spending in the second quarter, and that's because of this announcement that Amazon will spend $800 million for one-day shipping for its Prime members. So that's getting a lot of attention.
Which we already have here in the UK.
We do have that one-day option, so it's not as crazy for some of the international customers, but 100 million Prime customers, it's a pretty big commitment, will require a bit of investment.
Yeah, it's a slightly bigger country as well.
That's right. That's right. So, but looking at these numbers, record profit once again, EPS surging, 27%, revenues were up 17%. And if you look at the breakdown across different segments, the growth was again from the high margin businesses. So if you look at AWS, sales grew 41%, Amazon subscription 40%. Now advertising, a little bit of a slowdown in that section, that was up 34%, and that's where we've seen huge growth in the past few quarters. A little bit of talk about that, and that's some of what analysts are blaming on the shares being a little bit lower than expected. Other growth was from third-party sellers. Physical stores only up 1%, so that is a bit where Amazon's not quite figured it out yet, and that's part of that Whole Foods acquisition, but generally a very strong report here across most of those segments.
Just quickly on that advertiser side, because that was going to be the swing side to the upside and also negatively for Facebook, but we had Facebook out and they converted well on the advertisers, and Amazon's not doing so well. So there's still a lot of extra effort Amazon needs to put in to try and conquer this space.
That's right. Amazon is the third player here after Google and Facebook, and it still needs to continue to make those big investments. A part of the slowdown is just really that it came from such a high point. It's hard to continue to go from where it was before.
Lots and lots of amazing stats here, and obviously everyone's looking for signs of weakness. One that I saw elsewhere, the US e-commerce market is worth around about $601 billion at the moment. Amazon has got 47% of it, and apologies, I forgot where I saw this statistic, 47% of it by one measure. eBay's only got 6.1%. Should we worry about regulation?
That is the number one threat to Amazon, according to most analysts. We are already seeing that threat here in Europe materializing. We saw an inquiry just last week from Italy, for example, but and we have a lot of politicians talking about it. So far, no concrete action.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.